I'm going to do the Beetlejuice lips. So what I've seen is that you put on a really bright, colourful liquid lipstick on the bottom. I've seen a lot of people do green. I've got this light. I couldn't find a green. So I've got this hectic purple one that Erin actually stole off your desk. Sorry. I saw it on your desk. And I was
wondering where that one went.
It's a bright purple. And then what they do is they put it on as normal lipstick. And then you take a black eyeshadow and you purse your lips like as if you're going to go for a kiss. So you do this.
Yeah.
And then while you're in that kissing kind of
pursed lip,
you put on the black eyeshadow. So it creates these creases in your lip. And then when you unpurse, then you can see the little lines of purple in between.
Okay, I've seen people do this. It looks really good.
Does it?
So I'm excited to see if it's going to work.
I've seen a lot of fails though.
So wait, that's the Sephora.
This is, yeah.
That's really long lasting, Em. But that's okay. You're going to look jazzy for the event.
We both have the same event. We're going to look insane. Okay.
You're going to have purple lips and I'm going to have a brown smattering of freckles.
I don't mind this colour. Actually, I do mind it. But I've also got a lipstick underneath, which I probably should have not had on.
That colour is actually really cool for Halloween, I reckon.
Yeah. It's like already drying. Like I can tell it's going to last.
I can tell it's going to be there all night long.
Oh, God, I got my teeth.
So wait, you've got that and you've also got eyeshadow, did you say?
Yeah.
Okay,
I've got this massive palette.
What is that palette? I spotted it.
Norvina.
Oh.
It is insane. Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's like their big, colourful palette.
That is such a good Halloween. I would use none of those colours just generally.
Well, look at the ones
boring,
I've used.
though.
I've like all these sparkly ones are ones from just like I think Halloween parties. Okay.
I'm excited for this. Okay, so how are you going to apply it?
So I'm going to purse my lips and put on the black eyeshadow on top of my lips. You're going to have to do all the talking because I physically won't be able to.
I'll do all the talking. Okay, so you're using...
I use this brush for my eyeliner, like for my top lid.
Yeah, okay. So it's quite a fine brush there.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're pursing your lips and then you're kind of dabbing it across. This is going to be so interesting. So you're like filling in your whole bottom lip. So it's basically like doing lipstick but with eyeshadow and your lips pursed.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of feel like this could work. If this works, this is going to be such a good Halloween hack. Okay, you're kind of like you're doing a good job, Em.
Mm-hmm.
I think you've covered all bases there.
Mm-hmm.
It's the anticipation. Unpurse those lips immediately. Oh, it kind of worked. It did work.
It worked.
It definitely worked. That looks cool.
I look like a sexy zebra.
That is a sexy purple zebra.
It looks, yeah.
It definitely worked.
I feel like on Halloween day, this will look cool. Any other day, someone will think something's wrong.
Any other day, a no.
A no. But no, that was so easy as well.
That is
I do think it would look cooler if it was a green lipstick underneath, though, because it would have been more contrasty.